that.
Yeah.
Did you lick a fanny, right?
What?
Did you lick a fanny?
Oh, what?
What else would you do to her? Huh?
Everything.
She's a bit of a fat bird, or what?
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah. That's the only sort of fat bird I would shag.
What?
Fattest
It's the only
bird.
sort of bird you'd shag, a fat bird.
No! She's that one what sort you would want to shag for her tits.
For her tits. Why don't you get a slim bird with big tits to shag her? Huh? Is she a good looking fat bird? Huh? Alright-ish. Oh, she got a fat ass. How the fuck could you handle something like that? Look at the fucking state here. Eh? Who's texting you now?
That's from Scarborough.
She must be fucking desperate. Is she? Eh? Car's pulling to the fucking left big time. It's alright when you're powering it. It's alright when you're powering it. Oh, we're gonna have this one get to fucking work. So make fucking most of it in the last fucking 2 miles. Tell you want to fucking lick a nut hole. Is that fat bird?
Fat bird or skinny bird?
Hey?
No, she's skinny.
Come on, just tell you want to lick a nut hole.
Is that on record?
Hey?
Is that on record?
See, fuck that cunt. Fucking on record.